It's my first paid collab! Guys, come with me to install this hair from Shady's Hair.
So guys, let's do a little bit of unboxing. This week come this way and we have lots of goodies in there. We have two-way caps, we have razor, we have business card, melting band and a wig cap. Yes, this wig cap comes in three different colors and you can pick any color of your choices. Guys, guess what? If you buy any hair from Shady's Hair, you're going to get a free delivery anywhere in the UK. Anywhere you are in the UK, you are going to be getting a free delivery. Yes, free delivery. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's see how this hair looks. So it comes this way and I colored it to my color and this is me trying to melt it down. Then I went in with my melting spray. As you can see, I actually prefer melting spray than using a glue. I go ahead to use my hot comb to comb it just to make sure everything is well melt and laid back. Then I went in with my melting band and guys, this is how the hair is looking, guys. The lace is lacing. I'm telling you the facts. The lace is lacing. I went in with my melting spray again, as well with my melting band to give it that finished perfect look. As the edges is laying, I went in with my western stick to make sure the hair is properly laid and having this lush finish. Guys, this is what I kept on doing, and voila, this is how the hair is looking after I removed the band. I went in to style the hair to make sure I gave it like a perfect finish look. And guys, this is how the hair is looking. This hair is airing. If you want to get one of this hair for yourself, it's from Shady's Hair on TikTok. Just go to the TikTok page, shop any hair on their website. They deliver free in the UK. Anywhere you are in the UK, you're going to be getting a free delivery. Go to their page and thank me later. Just look at this, how this hair is looking. Look at me now, Asanwa. I'll be tagging them below. Do it to give them a follow. Shop any hair of your choice and get free delivery in the UK.